Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our unboxing from Shein. So I have ordered, guys. I finally I got it. I got my order today. So this is from Shein, another Shein. So we will have unboxing another Shein. So before we continue, guys, before we open this, before we open, let me introduce my channel. uh, Please subscribe my channel and hit the notification button bell, and so that you can alerted every time that I have upload. So let's go, guys. We will open it. So I'm excited anyway. I'm excited. We don't have scissor. So hard to open. Ta-da! Ta-da! So we will have 4 items. No. 5 items. We will have 5 items. So first, we will open first this one. Ta-da! So nice, guys. Wow! 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 Amazing! Wow! I love it! Wow! It's so nice! Look! It's nice, guys! Wow! Nice! Nice! Very nice clothes. Smooth. Very smooth. And next one is... what is this? Oh my god! What is this? Wow! I love it. Okay. See? And the back. Look at the back. So crazy. What kind of... wow, nice clothes. Ah! And then next, guys, I love this color. I love this color. And next, pink. Wow! Oh my goodness! OMG! It's so nice. Tara! It's so nice, guys. This size is medium. Medium size. Wow. Super nice. And the next, the fourth one. Tara! Wow, I love this color, guys. Wow. Like that. See? Oh, it's so nice. This is kind of bra. Wow. I love this. And the panty underwear. Wow. Wow, I really like this, guys. So nice. Look. I love this. I love this color also. I love the color. Skin tone. And next, guys. Oh, I love this. This is wow. I love this. I love this. I love. Wow, look at the panty, guys. I love it. Look. Wow. So nice. It's nice. Super nice, guys. Wow. I love the clothes. It's very um good clothes. So elastic and smooth also. And the next, yes. Charan. So this one. Maybe this one, guys, is small for me. But the panty is okay. The underwear is okay. So thank you for watching.